Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you a step-by-step tutorial on how to redeem your points for a gift card while using the Fetch Rewards app. If there's something you're interested in, stay tuned. So the first thing you do, of course, is download the Fetch Rewards app. If you don't have the app, check my description box. There's a link, and please use my referral code right here when you scan your first receipt. So I got a little ahead of myself, but what I'm doing right here is I have a new phone, and so Fetch does not recognize this phone, so I have to go in and verify that this is me because I already previously had an account. So that's what I'm doing right here. So I got to go back to my email. Oh, that's what I just did. Went to my email and verified. So now it will actually let me redeem my points. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm Mrs Vee, and I focus on budget-friendly content. And so, yeah, right here, I'm just showing you all the gift cards I've gotten in the past using the Fetch Rewards. So now I will go back out, and like today, I know I'm going to Walmart to pick up some laminating pouches. So I'll go ahead and go in my retail. You hit rewards at the bottom of your app just to see what cards you're eligible for. And you're eligible for the ones that have the yellow circle around it. So I'm looking for Walmart. So there's Walmart. It says I can get a $5 and a $10 gift card because I have 12,595 points. 12,095 points, I'm sorry. And so as you can see, I had to redeem 11,500 points to get a $10 gift card. In the past, it was just 10,000 points. So you have to redeem more points now than you did previously. So it'll give you a message once you get ready to redeem your card. And I just chose the card and it says, yes, your reward is waiting for you. So I'm going to go back into rewards, and my gift card is right there waiting on me. Therefore, I don't have to do all that while I'm in the store. The gift card is already there. So now, let's go to Walmart and pick up these laminating pouches. So I'm going to go ahead and scan the pouches. They are $9.98. So you can see my total is $10.87. So I'm going to go in and choose Walmart gift card. And I always have to get an associate to help me, because for some reason my Fetch Rewards never go in without me having to get help. So I'm going to go back in my app and go back to Fetch Rewards and find my gift card so I can scan the barcode that comes with the e-gift card. My rewards, go into my rewards, and there's my gift card, $10. So you tap that and view your gift card so the barcode will show up. See where it says view your gift card? There you go, and there's the barcode. So you should be able to just scan your barcode, but it never works for me. So you'll see me getting some help here shortly. So you should be able to just scan it. Hopefully you won't have trouble like me. See, assistance needed every time you scan your Fetch Rewards gift card. So the associate, she will come over and I'm gonna end up paying just 87 cents for a pack of my lemonade pouches to do some crafts. So yes, I stated earlier, my channel focuses on budget friendly content. I focus on anything to help you save money so that you can get some of the things you need. Get some of the things you want in life. We're not just saving money just to save it. We're saving money to enjoy the finer things in life. So if that's something you're interested in, tap that subscribe button at the bottom of the video and tap that notification bell twice so you'll be notified when I upload a video. So yeah, the associate, she had to come back over and help me twice because it did not want to work, but that's okay. I'm just showing you the proper way to redeem your points to get a gift card. So when she finally figured it out, I had to walk her through it because I have been through this so much. I had to tell her what to do basically, because I've seen them do it so many times. There it is. Yay! 87 cents. Yes. And so I paid that 87 cents out of pocket. So I did redeem my gift card. More information to share with you. If you go back in your app and go to me, and you'll see this button that says e-receipts. Tap on that. And it will allow you to connect your Amazon account and your email account to Fetch Rewards app. Therefore, you can get points on online purchases also, because of course you don't have a receipt right then to scan. So I think that's a great feature. I connected my email, but I can't think of my Amazon password right now, but I will go back and link that. So yeah, so that's it. That's gonna do it for this tutorial. I hope this video was helpful. So don't forget to download the app using my link in the description box, and don't forget to use my referral code.